Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and I'm back again on this channel, guys. As you know, in this channel, we share some very market insights and share the secrets and many other strategies that you guys can be able to apply and become a profitable trader. So today, I'll be showing you just the things that many forex mentors out there make you pay, so you'll be able to get it for free here on this channel. So make sure you show your support, you click the like, click the subscribe and the notification bell. Make sure we take this video to 10,000 likes, guys. Let's push it. Click that like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to click the subscribe button and become part of the family. So without wasting much time, let's go into the chat. Please take notes. I'm on the charts now, guys. So we're gonna start by understanding the main concept of forex trading. We do know forex trading is the selling and buying of currencies. So when you are buying and subsequently selling, so you need to understand what are you doing in the market. Are you selling or you are buying? So by you understanding that, you can simply understand the basics and following the market. Always follow the trend. Trend is something that we can look at, is zooming out and going on a higher time frame, because sometimes you get to make mistakes by mere looking at just a small time frame, thinking it is a trend. Let's look at something of this nature. Can you see here, we are coming from the top, and we pushed. Can you see this happening? So let's zoom in and see what is currently happening. Currently, we are having a move showing us that is going upwards. In a small time frame, you might look at this as a trend, but I see it as a what? As a form of a retracement, something like this that can reverse anyway. But also take into account that we are having some form of a what? Of a reverse head and shoulders around this level. We can look at something that is coming from this nature here, and then another one will be this one, right? So looking at this, you have to always look at the bigger picture. So I like to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Fine, I can see we are coming from the top, but then this we can see that the at most, because what we can see that what we had a break of a structure here. So this might be coming like a what? A retest. Can you see here? Can take this as a retest. As a retest. Let me do this. Yes, let me do this. This okay, a retest. So do you see what we are currently having here? We have a break of a structure, retest. So we have chances of pushing further to the upside. We broke this nature. So now if I take this, looking at what we are currently seeing here in the market, I see the market coming back to this top. So now if you go further to lower time frames, you can see that you understanding the market structure, you can simply identify the lines of confluence. Can you see here, we're able to see that this is a double bottom, this is a retest, we broke and we retested here, we retested for the second time. So this becomes a what? A double bottom. So this becoming a double bottom, obviously you had yourself here. But coming to think of it, remember you are taking your trades on a smaller time frame. Obviously, you would take your trade on this point, knowing for a fact that you place your buy and your stop loss will be, and your target will be here, right? So can you see the risk reward ratio? Always take trades that are 1:2 2 or more. Make sure you take trades that are 1:2 or more. That will eventually assist you in becoming a better trader, in minimizing your losses, maximizing your profits, because we do know that we'll always encounter losses, but we keep them small as possible. Keep them small as possible so that you can be able to capitalize and see progress. So can you see we are still in running trade? So I now see what we are looking for into the market. So I can remove this, and then now I can just focus on what is currently happening here, because now I have my what? I have my structure in place. I have my analysis. I know my go now. I'm not gonna be gathering around or running around looking at other information. I know that now we are what? We are looking at pushing up, correction. This is a correction, push up. So I expect the market to go a little bit down, at least somewhere around here, before we can push further up. Why? Let me show you why. This point, I'm gonna use my fib. This point, if I take my fib around here, where's my fib? If I take my fib around here, it's a 50%. So we've pushed up. So I expect the market to come here, or even better, the market has chances of pushing further around here. So it is possible for the market to come a little bit here before we can push further a little bit up. You understand? So this is what I'll be looking at this point, because you can see what happened here. We pushed up and then we came back. Now we pushed a little bit up, but our main target will obviously be around this point, looking at the fact that you need to understand what you are currently seeing in the market, what you are actually planning to do. So in a sense that many people will make you pay for this, but I'm showing you for free. So make sure you click the like and subscribe button. This, what I explained to you, is that you see we are coming from the top, and then what? Touch, second touch, then you came in, third touch, then what? This one didn't touch. It respected the previous high, which was this one. Then it pushed and break. So you need to be aware of what is currently happening in the market. Look at this. Look at something like this. So obviously sometimes you'll be having movements, but always make sure that you give your markets a little bit of room so that you are not caught in the middle of the trades. So just make sure you are always one step ahead of the market. Make sure you are able to understand the confluences, all the information that we share on this channel. So let's look at what most people make you buy, right? When you are enrolling for most courses, they'll show you simple things. Let me just go. They'll show you simple things that in a market you have what? You have uptrend, right? And a downtrend. And what do you have? You have your support, resistance, support, resistance. You see? Resistance, something like this. This is all they will teach you. Some mentors, they will never go to an extent of showing you the secrets of understanding the Fibonacci. Understand? We do that. We show you the Fibonacci, be able to understand it. We tell you how to understand, how to draw your Fibonacci, the principles of drawing your Fibonacci from a lower time frame to a higher time frame. You're able to understand why the market reversed here, right? Why the market reversed here, things like that. So we'll teach you each and everything. And then once you know all this support and resistance, always remember the market does not see your trend lines. We use this as guidelines as to where we can put our trades. We use this as guidelines as where we can put our stop loss looking at the lows and the highs. So always be alert, know what you can see in the market and what you're supposed to unsee, because in a smallest time frame we have something like this, right? Let me zoom in. You see here we have a straight line, but in a normal time we have something like this. So you could be thinking that the market is pushing down, but it is a what? It is a correction. So inside the correction there is a smallest trend. So that's how it looks here. If we go to a daily time frame, you'll see that will only have one candle. But if you go to 4 hour, 1 hour, you see multiple candles. That's just how it goes. The market pushes up, pushes down. The market moves in a nature form. You need to understand how the market moves. We'll teach you how to identify your order blocks. Things like this, and understanding where you would be seeing your order block as the last candle before the impulsive move. You'll be able to understand, okay, fine, I see my order block is here. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to wait for a touch to that point. So you might be having some movement like this. Oh, then obviously, then boom, something like this, right? So you need to be aware of what is currently happening in the market. Obviously, by you drawing a trend line, you would see that, okay, fine, I see we broke here and I came here, and then here again we have a similar pattern, things like that. So this is just one of the things you'll be able to understand when you join the Forex Heroes course, you see. So things like this you'll be able to understand and say, okay, fine, I see I sold here, stop loss here, TP is supposed to be here, and then I'm selling again. I'm taking a reduced risk entry, and we pushed TP 7 here. So this one is just here. So this is just a way of knowing how to approach the market. You need to approach the market from a very clear perspective. You need to approach the market with ease, with caution. So from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero, I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Catch me again in the next video. Make sure you click the subscribe like button. I love you guys. From you showing me the support, we over 10,000 subs. Let's keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.